A hoverboard is a levitating platform that looks like a skateboard without wheels and can be used for personal transportation. So if you're searching for one, then these are some of the best in the market right now. The Go-Bowen new 6.5-inch hoverboards use self-balance technology and sophisticated gyroscopes, all in a rechargeable battery-powered board built to last several miles in one charge. The foot pedals can be easily tilted front and back, and it includes sensors to ensure your safety. It has Bluetooth speaker that enables you to play a tune on your board out of your telephone. It features LEDs that look cool and will help you see as you ride in the dark. The wheel size is about 6.5 inches, and you can attain a max speed of 8 miles per hour. The CHO 6.5-inch chrome electric hoverboard comes with built-in speaker and Bluetooth. And when it comes to fun and entertainment while skating, it provides with solid rubber tires and with built-in LED light features which provide light during the dark. It is UL 2272 certified, meaning that this product has been tested for electrical and fire safety to protect you and your loved ones. The 6.5-inch vacuum tires hitting speeds of up to 7.5 miles per hour for up to 13 miles, powered by dual 350-watt motors. The SWAGTRON T580 gave priority to the safety, and thus it has undergone and passed rigorous electrical and safety tests. It even comes with an incombustible casing and our patented Sentry Shield technology and smart battery management for multi-layer protection. It weighs only 20 pounds, and the IPX4 rated T580 features a durable casing, zero emissions motor, and a splash-proof design. It gives a dominant performance, enables you to race up to 7.5 miles per hour and climb inclines of up to 30 degrees with the electric hoverboard's 150-watt dual motors. The Hoverheart hoverboard comes with a twin 200-watt motors which deliver plenty of power to the wheels, while charging times come in at an average of 2 to 3 hours max. It is suitable for speeds of 6 miles per hour to 10 miles per hour tops, along with a maximum range of around 12 kilometers. It has LED lights on wheel hubs, wheel rims, and LED headlights, making it outstanding in the dark. It uses 2x250-watt motors powered with 36-volt 4A batteries. Also, it offers a high-quality Bluetooth speaker for taking your tunes on the go. Maximum load capacity of this hoverboard is 220 pounds. The CHO Electric Smart Self-Balancing Hoverboard is UL 2272 certified, approved electric hoverboard with built-in Bluetooth speaker. You can connect to Bluetooth speakers so that you can play music directly from your phone. The 6.5-inch tires provide smooth riding experience, easy to control. It has a stronger shell and sturdy structure with maximum load 220 pounds and offers durability. The high-intensity front lights make travel safer and more fun. It can travel at a top speed of 10 kilometers and cruising distance up to 16 kilometers. The compact size also makes the scooter portable, easily carried around wherever you go. The GOTRAX Hoverfly Eco Hoverboard comes with lunar LED lights, cosmic colors, and is made of high-quality hover skateboard materials. All the electrical, battery, and charging systems used are tested and certified to UL 2272 safety standards. It has an impressive torque, which is powered by dual 250-watt force-field motors. It can reach speeds up to 7.4 miles per hour, and it feels like you're floating in zero gravity for up to 12 miles. It is made with high-quality materials and has a 220-pound weight capacity. It has battery lights which will indicate when it is time to return home for a recharge.